My name is Jack Contis. I'm Vice President of Marketing here. Here at ARC, we really pride ourselves on producing the best quality glass in a large-scale manufacturing environment. We are glass makers in the end. It's deep in our veins. We're really an industrial company. And we are typically looked on within the industry as being, really leading edge, and no one is better than us.
We do product development here and a lot of form design. We usually send out our 3D models to be 3D printed. That can take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. And before we had the ProJet 260 Plus, that kind of pulled back our design group. With this, we've been able to turn our lead time from 2 to 3 weeks to hours or days. The fact that we wanted something that was in an office environment, and that's something we had that was close proximity, so we could really check in on it and see how the build was going. Some of the other machines we found, they needed to have vents specifically outside, and this one was just a no-brainer. We kind of just were able to put it in-house. It's right next to the design group, and we had that luxury.
It's changed our image quite a bit to the end users that ARC can react that quick. It's just so different than what they're used to seeing from us as a company.
The ProJet 260 Plus by 3D Systems, it kind of drawed to us because it had this ability to print in full color on a 3D print. This really allowed us to kind of exercise placement and scale of decor, which is kind of essential when you're dealing with beer companies and liquor companies. So we go through a lot of iterations that are on the computer. Having this ability has kind of, jumped that lead time and allowed us to close deals quicker.
We were working with the beer company, and what they're looking for is a custom-made glass and something that's a signature piece for them. And a lot of times you have to help them imagineer how this glass is going to look. It's a pretty sizable investment for them, hundreds of thousands of dollars, and sometimes people are a little gun-shy of doing that without having something tangible in their hands. And so it has offered ARC an excellent way to differentiate ourselves from other competitors, to offer a 3D print of something that we're going to create for them. So it's been an excellent way for us to close this deal. We got the purchase order and we're working on the molds right now.
We significantly underestimated how important it would be, and we almost don't make anything at all anymore now that's new, that's a new shape of glass, without first 3D printing it.
The fact that designers, we have so many outside influences. It's what do we do in these situations where we have influences from sales, marketing, production, trends. There's so many outside influences. The ProJet 260 Plus has allowed us to actually take those sketches, take those renderings that we could do countless hours of, and put them into a physical prototype. And the second you put that in front of production, engineers, they can quickly give you feedback beyond just what they would see on screen. I think the second you hand anybody something that they can actually engage with, the sales reps it's made it that much easier for them. They don't have to dog and pony show as much. They can kind of, hey, let me show you.
So we really wanted a 3D printer that could do everything we wanted it to do. We asked for a lot, and we were really happy to find the ProJet 260 Plus delivered everything we wanted it to.